What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on OCGN stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So let's continue with their brief introduction. By the way, they completely changed the layout of their website, and on their main page we have news related to this company, and these news are very important, but let's start with the definition. Our mission is to develop gene therapies to cure blindness diseases and develop a vaccine to save lives from COVID-19. And for now, the vaccine is their main product and the main catalyst for the price of its stock. And let's continue with the recent news and the summary of this news. We are on OCGN Alpha, and this article was published on May the 3rd, and it's titled Ocugen's shares rise 13% on potential effectiveness of Covaxin in 3 COVID-19 variants. And here is what I want to quote you. Ocugen announces that in a new study, scientists have found that Covaxin demonstrated potential effectiveness against the Brazil variant of the virus. Previous studies have also suggested that Covaxin was effective against the UK variant B117 as well as the Indian double mutant variant B1617. Trials conducted by Indian Council of Medical Research show Covaxin-vaccinated sera effectively neutralized the variants in an in vitro plaque reduction neutralization assay. Recently, in second interim results of phase 3 trial, Covaxin showed 78% overall efficacy and 100% in severe COVID-19 disease. OCGN shares up 13% pre-market, trading at $14.31. And year-to-date growth in Ocugen shares price is around 600%. Recently, CEO Dr. Shankar Musuruni hinted emergency use authorization for COVID-19 vaccine in US. And here is the news. At the top of the line you can see 3 news, and at the bottom you can see their official press releases. First of all, on April 28th, they announced a closing of $100 million registered direct offering of common stock, priced at a premium to market. So they will raise the money, and let me show you that according to their latest data, they have only $24.04 million in cash. And it is not a great amount of money, but for now they will have a little bit less than $100 million. And Ocugen intends to use the net proceeds from the offering for general corporate purposes, capital expenditures, working capital, and general and administrative expenses. So they improve their position from the financial standpoint, and in my opinion it is very good, because for now they have only green light in their path to emergency use authorization. And let's continue with the next press release. On May the 3rd, they announced studies shows Covaxin potentially effective against 3 key variants of SARS-CoV-2. And here is this study. Let me quote main bullets. Covaxin effectively neutralized Brazil variant along with UK variant and India double mutant variant. This is the most important bullet of this announcement. Potential effectiveness against multiple variants reduces the possibility of mutant virus escape. According to World Health Organization, the double mutant variant of SARS-CoV-2 has spread to at least 17 countries. And I think this might be very good opportunity for this company to prevent the spreading of new variants of COVID-19. And let me show you this paragraph. Covaxin continues to show strong results in all the studies conducted to date. We continue to believe this vaccine is a critical tool to include in our national arsenal to fight this pandemic. The Ocugen team submitted a comprehensive drug master file with the FDA and is currently diligently preparing the emergency use authorization application, said Mr. Shankar Musuruni, chairman of the board, chief executive officer and co-founder of Ocugen. So they are preparing the emergency use authorization application. This means Because of it is emergency, in my opinion, I think we will see the results of this authorization in the nearest future. I think in a matter of days or in a matter of weeks. And that's why you have to be prepared to next potential big move. And let me give you a sneak peek on institutional investors. And since I made my previous video, we have several filings, and a majority of them are in green. And we have only one company that closed their position. So we have very good fundamentals, we have very good news for this company, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. It helps me a lot. Well, I made my previous video somewhere at this point, at the end of April, and I've told you that we are forming the triangle, and usually this triangle forms in a fourth wave. This means we might have one more leg to the upside to finish our entire structure from the bottom to the top. And as you can see, here is my Elliott wave breakdown. This bottom is the beginning of the first wave. This is the first wave, second retracement, third, the biggest one for now is this one, then retracement to the fourth, consolidation phase. And I've told you that we have to have a breakout or breakdown with the conviction of volume, and the volume has to be significant, and we have rather good volume right here, but I have to say that it should be a little bit better, but nevertheless it happened, and we've successfully break this formation to the upside, and as you might see, we hit our first target and have a reaction. Basically, it is nothing new for those of you who follow my channel for a long period of time, because all the assets are quite technical, and that's why we have tools, and with these tools we can project some targets, and that's why we have this reaction according to my prediction. So what should be the next movement? Basically, we can have one more leg to the upside to hit our second target or even our third target, but it is not so obvious for now because we have some bearish signs. First of all, we have on 4-hour time frame, we have bearish divergence according to RSI and MACD. And bearish divergence means we have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. And again, lower highs on MACD and higher highs on price action. This means we are losing momentum. So, what should you do if you want to invest for now? Basically, I encourage you to wait, because we might have one more leg to the upside, or we might go down from this very point, and this point will be the top of our fifth wave right here. And then we will have a retracement, and let me show you potential levels of this retracement. To measure the entire movement, I pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the structure to the top of the structure, because our 5 waves on a smaller scale implies only one wave on a greater scale. And so far we have this point as our highest point, and we can have a retracement on the level of 0.382, 0.5 and even 0.65 level. This means these potential levels might be your potential entry points if you've already done your own due diligence and you believe that this company will have a bright future. And what should you do if you catch this bottom and you follow my channel for the long time and you enter your position at these two levels? Basically, from our entry price, from our average entry price, you're up for about 126%. It is very good percentage, and congratulations to you. You've already in green zone, and you can still have your position, because on a greater scale, if it is the beginning of the first wave to the greater scale, this means after the retracement we will have one more leg to the upside, and this will be the third wave on a greater scale. This means it will be massive. And basically, for now, I think you have to wait until we will have some more information. And congratulations to all of you who follow my channel and who took this trade. With that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys until next time. Bye!